Hello, my name is Yexa. Welcome. Today we're going to start in a comfortable seated position. We're going to roll our shoulders back, take a deep inhale through our nose. Exhale, let it go. And in your next inhale, we're going to bring our arms up all the way towards the sky. Find them in prayer and bring them down slowly. Let's repeat this one more time. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, this time bring them in front of your forehead. Let's take a moment to settle into this pose, into this moment, bringing awareness into our body, feeling grateful. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, right hand, left wrist, send it towards the right. Side body stretch. Bring your gaze towards your left elbow. Exhale, back towards the middle. Let's switch, left hand, right wrist, send it towards the left side. Gaze towards my right elbow this time. Exhale, back towards the middle. Release your hands down on the ground. And let's start giving some circles back, bringing your shoulders blades together. Switch direction of your circles. Now bring your shoulders forward. Inhale, both arms come up. Exhale, turn your body towards the right. Release your hands down. Body twist, gaze over my right shoulder. Inhale. Keep your legs and arms, double gaze. Bring it over your left this time. Exhale, bring it back. Arms come back up. And towards the left side, release your hands down. Gaze over my left shoulder. Let's take a couple breaths, feeling the twist. Keep your legs and arms. Bring your gaze over your right. Inhale, bring both arms up. Exhale, release them on the side. Let's come into our comfortable tabletop position. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze. Exhale, cat. Inhale, tuck your toes, drop your belly, lift your gaze, open your chest. Exhale, cat. Cow and cat on your own, allowing yourself to feel your spine and your back moving slowly. And in your next inhale, we're going to find neutral. Right arm comes up. Exhale, bend your elbow, right hand catches my ear. And let's start giving circles with our elbow. Towards the front and towards the back. Very good. Move gentle and slowly. Bring your hand up and thread the needle under your left arm. Option to bring your left hand up. Maybe bend your elbow behind your back. If you want to challenge your balance and bring your left leg up, you're more than welcome. We'll meet with knee down. Hold here. One more breath. Feel the stretch in your right shoulder, in your left as well. Opening your chest, sending your left shoulder back. Inhale, left hand comes up and down. Exhale, inhale, right hand reaches the sky. Exhale, find it on the ground. Let's repeat on the left side. Bring your left hand up, bend your elbow. Let's start giving circles towards the front, towards the back. Inhale, left hand reaches up towards the sky. Exhale, thread the needle under your right. Option to just stay right here, push the floor away, or bring your right hand up and bend your elbow behind your back. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, let it go. Bring your hand down, left hand reaches up and down on the ground. Very good, everyone. Let's start giving circles, bringing your hips all the way down towards your heels. Being gentle with your spine. Let's switch directions. Flowing with your breath. Find a neutral, tuck your toes, hands under my shoulders, bring your knees into a hover. Let's hold, gaze in between my fingers for 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight your legs back. Downward facing dog. This is our first down dog, so take a moment. You can bend one knee at a time, maybe send your hips side to side, or just find a stillness. Taking one more breath. Inhale. Exhale. In your next inhale, right leg is gonna come off the ground. Exhale, drop your feet in between your hands, drop your back knee, untuck your toes, arms come up, low lunge. Seeing your hips as low as you can, taking one deep breath. Inhale. Exhale, start straightening your right leg, hands find the floor. Inhale halfway, exhale fold. My forehead finds my knee. Very good stretch in the back of my right leg. Taking deep inhales, arms come up towards the sky, low lunge. Exhale, open your arms towards the right, water wheel arms. Gaze can be down or towards my right fingers. Left hand reaches down, right one stays up. Tuck your back toes, easy twist. Lift your back knee. Exhale, IT bend stretch. Drop your hips down. Exhale, frame your front feet coming into pyramid. We're going to straighten both legs. Welcome to walk your left feet closer. Forehead towards my right knee. Inhale. Exhale. Last breath here. Inhale, we come halfway. Here we're going to drop our back heel 90-degree angle. And my left hand is going to stay down on the ground. Right hand reaches towards the sky. Revolve triangle pose. The right toes are looking forward. Exhale, keep your legs, release your right hand down. And left hand reaches up. Triangle pose. Back of my mat, start bending your left knee. Skandasana into the left, option to stay here. You can also open both arms and take a moment. Start turning your body towards the back of your mat. Drop your back knee, untuck your back toes. Inhale, reach your arms up. Long lunge on the left side. If your knees over your toes, walk your feet a bit farther away so you sink your hips lower. In your exhale, start straightening your left leg, hands find the floor, flex your left toes. Inhale halfway, exhale fold. Feel the stretch in the back of your left leg this time. Last breath. In your next inhale, start bending your front knee, arms start reaching up, low lunge. In your next exhale, open your arms on the left side this time, water wheel arms. Gaze towards my left fingers. Inhale. Exhale, right hand finds the floor, left stay lifted. Tuck your back toes, lift your back knee, easy twist. Exhale, drop your hips down, IT bend stretch. Inhale, exhale, frame your front feet and start straightening both legs coming into pyramid. Remember halfway, exhale, fold. Bringing your forehead towards your knee. Taking long but very effective breaths. In your next exhale, drop your back heel 90 degrees. Keep your right hand down, left hand reaches up. Revolve triangle. Reaching your left hand as much as you can, opening your chest. Last breath, drop your left hand down, reach your right arm up. Triangle pose. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. In your next exhale, start closing both hands down towards the ground, bending your right knee out, Skandasana into the right side this time. Hands in prayer in front of my leg, or you can open both arms. In your exhale, turn your body towards the front, frame your front feet, bring your feet back, high plank, gaze in between my fingers. Inhale, engage your core. Exhale, hold for one more. Inhale. Exhale, send your tailbone up, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your heels, bend your knees, walk or jump forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Your next inhale, open your arms big towards the sky, mountain pose. Little back bend at the top. Exhale, dive down, forward fold. Inhale halfway. Exhale, hands down, walk or jump back, high plank. And drop your heels towards the left, bring your right hand up, side plank. One breath. Exhale, right hand down, drop your heels towards the right, side plank on the left this time. Left hand up. Exhale, we close down, high plank. High plank, drop your knees, power lunge, downward facing dog. Very good. Straighten your arms as much as you can, so as your legs. Shift forward. Inhale, high plank. Drop your belly down. Hands under my shoulders. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, bring your chest down. Inhale, this time bring your hands off the floor, baby cobra. Exhale, hands down. Tuck your back toes. High plank. Downward facing. In your next exhale, walk your feet forward, bring your legs in front of you, and bring your upper body down, arms on the sides of my body. Inhale, bring your hips up, bridge pose. We hold here for one breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, last one. Exhale, start bringing your hips down slowly. Maybe windshield your legs side to side. And straighten both forward. Last pose, Shavasana. Feel great. You did it. That was a really good stretch. Take a moment to connect with your breath, feel your heartbeat, and be grateful for this time. This time together with you and your mind, your body and your breath, connecting. We are love. We are peace. We are joy. Whenever you feel ready, start wiggling your toes and your fingers. Maybe move your head side to side. And when you feel ready, come into one of your sides just to push yourself up into a comfortable seated. Cross your legs in front of you. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, hands in prayer in front of my chest. Namaste. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.